In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder and a PowerPoint file. If you've ever felt a bit lost on how to get started organizing your presentations, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together, so grab your computer and let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. For those unfamiliar, PowerPoint is Microsoft's popular software used to create professional presentations. Its icon is typically orange with a white P on it, so go ahead and find that on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to an existing PowerPoint presentation. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry, we'll get to creating a blank one shortly. But before diving into creation, we're going to set up an organizational system for our files. Next, open File Explorer. This is the tool you'll use to browse files on your computer. You can find it by clicking the folder icon usually located on your taskbar. Now let's create a new folder to store your presentation files. Right click within File Explorer, preferably on the desktop or wherever you choose to keep your projects, and select New Folder from the context menu that appears. Name your folder something relevant that you'll easily recognize later, like presentations. With your organizational structure in place, return to PowerPoint. Here, we begin the creation process. In PowerPoint, you'll have the option to create a new presentation. Choose the option for a blank presentation. This choice provides a clean slate, enabling you to customize it according to your specific needs. Once your blank presentation opens, it's a good idea to save it almost immediately. As a reminder, frequently saving your work prevents losing important changes. You can quickly save your presentation by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard. A Save dialog box will appear. Here's a key tip: ensure you save this presentation in the newly created folder. In the Save dialog, navigate to your folder named Presentations or whatever you named it. Giving your presentation a descriptive file name will also help you locate it easily later on. Once everything's set, hit Save DC, and your presentation is now securely kept in its designated folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new folder and initiated a PowerPoint presentation, all while ensuring everything is neatly organized. I hope these steps were clear and easy to follow. Keep practicing and you'll become faster at setting up and managing your presentations over time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for the next part of our PowerPoint series for more advanced tips and techniques.